projection for EURUSD for the upcoming trading week session starting from August 5. Ayan. So, ayun, very clear naman dito kay EURUSD ngayon, no? So, current structure is bullish, no? Kung pupunta tayo dito sa daily time frame, ayan, so makikita natin from here, itong structural high na to is nabasag, no? Then after breaking that structural high, nagkaroon ng pullback. Okay. Then after pullback is nagkaroon siya ng strong move towards upside. So yung big green candle na yan, nangyari yan nung last Friday, no? NFP news. Okay. So baba tayo sa 4-hour time frame, no? So ayan, I'm expecting na possibly magkaroon ito ng, actually ngayon nagkakaroon siya ng some sort of reaction dito sa extreme zone na yan. Okay, so potentially, possibly, yung market dito is ito yung ginawa nilang reference for the market start creating a pullback. Okay, so I'm expecting na may ma-build up dito na correction, and then after completing correction dito, next possible move na tinitingnan ko is towards upside. Okay, so still bullish pa rin ako dito kay EURUSD, no? Okay, so any potential, any sell, any bearish move na mangyari dito, I will just ignore that and I'll be focusing on buy dito kay EURUSD after the correction. Okay?